Today's math lesson is about quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? Our lesson objective is I can describe characteristics of a quadrilateral. But first we're going to review a few things. There are three different types of angles. There is an obtuse angle, a right angle, and an acute angle. An obtuse angle, with the brown line pointing to it, is an angle that is greater than a right angle. An acute angle, which has the blue line pointing to it, is an angle that is less than a right angle. And the right angle, right here, has the red line going to it, and that is an angle that comes together at a corner. The other thing that we are going to review is what is a parallel line, or what is a pair of parallel lines. When we talk about a pair, we are talking about two. So one pair of parallel lines is two lines that never meet. They can go off in either direction and they will never cross or meet. So when we talk about a pair of parallel lines, circled in green is one pair of parallel lines. Circled in green is another pair of parallel lines. And circled in green down here is another pair of parallel lines. The lines, the pairs that are X'd out in red are not parallel lines because you can see that if they were to extend out at some point, they would meet or cross somewhere. So again, our lesson objective is I can describe characteristics of a quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals are four-sided figures. A parallelogram has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So this and this is one pair of parallel lines, and this is another pair of parallel lines. So there are two pairs of parallel lines, 1, 2. And then opposite sides are equal in length. So the top line and the bottom line are equal in length. The side line and the side line are equal in length. So identify by letter all of the figures that are parallelograms. Rectangles. Rectangles have four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. They have four right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. In other words, it comes together at a corner. Pairs of opposite sides are equal, so this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. And then opposite sides are parallel. Identify by letter those that are rectangles. A rhombus. Rhombuses or rhombi have four sides that are equal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and opposite sides are parallel. So this is parallel to this is parallel to this. Identify the figures that are rhombuses or rhombi. A square has four equal sides, so all the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel, so 1, 2, those are parallel, and 1, 2, those are parallel. And it has four right angles. So it has four angles that come to a corner. Identify by letter the squares. Trapezoids have four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, one pair of unequal parallel sides. So this side and this side are parallel, but they're not equal. This side and this side are parallel, but they're not equal. They're not the same length. And these sides are not parallel, so it only has one pair of unequal parallel sides. Identify all the trapezoids by letter.